Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. Look at the circuit diagram, and the circuit in the figure has ideal op amp. We are going to find what is the oscillation frequency and the condition to sustain the oscillations. Okay, those two things we are going to calculate. If you look at the circuit, you can easily identify this circuit is going to be Wien-Bridge oscillator using operational amplifier. But what we have seen in Wien-Bridge oscillator is nothing but only both are going to be R and both capacitors are of C type. Now it has given a different values R to R and C to C. Okay, and we know every oscillator should contain satisfy some important things. One is nothing but it must have positive feedback and the loop gain must be equal to 1. Those are the two essential conditions. Oscillator is always having positive feedback, and to get sustained oscillations, the loop gain, that is A into beta, is going to be always equal to 1. So if you observe, this is a general block diagram of op amp. This is general block diagram for the oscillator, and it is input side. This is AOL is nothing but open loop amplifier, that is amplifier without feedback. This is the feedback we are going with. So output is fed back. So this is fed back to non-inverting terminal, so it is called as positive feedback, and this entire network is going to be called as beta network according to this part. And for positive feedback, okay, the output of beta network is going to be added to actual input signal such that effective input signal for the amplifier is going to be gets increases. This is positive feedback. Okay, so loop gain is nothing but if you break the loop over these 2 points, if you break this loop, at that time the signal present over here is travels through AOL and beta and it appears over here. Say it is Xi, for example. Output of this point is AOL into Xi. Now input for this beta network is AOL into Xi, and after multiplying this beta, you are going to get it as AOL into beta into Xi. So Xi is the input signal, that is whenever it is passing through this loop, the total gain it has got is AOL into beta. This AOL into beta is going to be called as loop gain. Loop gain is nothing but AOL into beta. Since beta network is reactive in nature, reactive means along with resistances, okay, it has capacitances. So frequency sensitive elements it has. So the reactance of that capacitor is going to be changes as frequency changes. Okay, and definitely reactive means this gain is going to be of it consisting of imaginary part also. So this loop gain is going to be now having 1 plus J0. This J0 we are considering since beta network is reactive. If beta network is resistive, directly we can say with A into beta is 1. But as because of beta network for oscillators is going to be reactive in nature, okay, so you must write loop gain as 1 plus J0. From this one you are going to get two important Barkhausen criteria. One is nothing but magnitude of A beta is equal to 1 from this one, okay, and second one is nothing but phase angle of A beta from this 1 plus J0. You can write it as 0 degrees or 360 degrees. So this is Barkhausen's magnitude criteria, Barkhausen's phase criteria. So oscillator should satisfy these two conditions. Okay, first we will go for the phase criteria from this one. Okay, for the phase criteria we will calculate what is the frequency of oscillations. Frequency of oscillations we will calculate, and using magnitude criteria at this frequency we will get condition for oscillators. Condition for oscillations can be obtained using this one. So for both the things what you require is nothing but A into beta. Okay, A into beta is required. So from this one we will say what is beta. Okay, we will define AOL and beta from now. So this is feedback voltage, so say it as Vf, voltage across these two which are in parallel. So that voltage across this resistance combination is feedback voltage, and the total voltage you are applying is V0. Okay, and since the feedback signal is applying to non-inverting terminal, this operational amplifier acts as non-inverting op amp. For non-inverting op amp, gain of non-inverting op amp is equal to, okay, that is AOL. In our case, simply I am writing A, so that is 1 plus R1 by R2, 1 plus R1 by R2, first equation. And second one is nothing but beta network. Okay, beta network gain, that is gain of beta network, which is nothing but Vf divided by V0. So Vf divided by V0, this is, say it as Z1, and this is Z2. So we can write it as Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2, which is beta. Okay, where Z1 is equal to R parallel with 1 by 2SC. Okay, in Laplace domain if you write 2SC, and this is R1 parallel R2, you can use a formula. So this will become, after simplification, it will become R by 1 plus 2 times of SER. This is what you will get, Z1, and Z2 is equal to, okay, 2R plus 1 by SC. Now we are going for the loop gain. So we need to calculate loop gain now. Loop gain is nothing but A into beta. Okay, this is second equation, it is first equation. Multiply both the things. A into beta, that is 1 plus R1 by R2 into, okay, we will go for the Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2 is, Z1 is R by 1 plus 2 SCR divided by, okay, Z1 plus Z2. So R by 1 plus 2 SCR plus 2R plus 1 by SC. So after simplification of this equation, you are going to get A beta is equal to 1 plus R1 by R2 into, okay, the final value is going to be 1 divided by 5 plus J times of 4 omega RC minus 1 by omega RC. This is what you will get. Okay, this is A beta equation. From this one we will get the condition for oscillations and condition and the value of frequency response. This is what the equation. Okay, now it will be consisting of imaginary and real parts. First one is nothing but from phase criteria. What we know, phase criteria is nothing but A beta is equal to 0 degrees or 360 degrees. 0 degrees or 360 degrees meaning is nothing but no imaginary part. No imaginary part. That is, whenever the equation doesn't consisting of J term, then we can say that the phase angle is 0 degrees. Because if you are going for A plus J something as, okay, something as X plus JY, so phase angle, how do you write it, is tan inverse of Y by X, and this will be 0 whenever tan inverse of this value will be 0. So if J term is 0, then only we will get the phase angle 0. So you must make J term 0. Okay, so make J term 0, that is imaginary term 0, to get 0 degrees phase shift. Okay, first condition. So what is a J term? This is what J term. Okay, now this is what J term, imaginary term. So J term is 4 omega RC minus 1 by omega RC is equal to 0. So if you make this one, then definitely A beta is a real value. That real value means 0 degrees phase shift. So 4 omegas RC is equal to 1 by omega RC. So from this one, omega square is equal to 1 by 4 R square C square. Okay, where you are substituting S is j omega, so that you are getting this. Now omega is equal to, okay, take square root on both sides, that will become 2RC. So the frequency is going to be omega in radians, that is 1 by 2RC. So this is the value of frequency generated by this circuit. Okay, and next, at this frequency, so you are going to consider, you have calculated this frequency by making imaginary term 0. So in the equation of A beta, if you use omega as this value, definitely j term will be 0. So now I am going with condition for oscillations can be calculated from magnitude criteria. So at omega is equal to 1 by 2RC. So by that time A beta is equal to 1. That means 1 plus R1 by R2 times of 1 by 5 plus J0. Since at this frequency J term will be 0, so I am writing it as J0. Simply this will become 1 by 5. So 1 plus R1 by R2 into 1 by 5, a real value. That's 5 if you are taking this side, it will become 5 into 1, because A beta is equal to 1, 5 into 1 it will become 1. So 1 plus R1 by R2 is equal to 5. From this one, R1 by R2 is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. So R1 is equal to 4 times of R2. So R1 is equal to 4 times of R2 and omega is equal to 1 by 2 RC. Okay. So omega frequency, oscillation frequency is 1 by 2 RC, that is 2 CR, and R1 is equal to 4 times of R2. So this is the right answer. So the right answer for this question is option D. Thank you.